For methi paneer, we need 2 cups of chopped fenugreek leaves, 200 grams of cottage cheese, 2 chopped onions, 5 cloves of garlic, 2 chopped tomatoes, a pinch of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of sugar, 1 cup of oil, salt to taste. Add the fenugreek leaves into salt mixed water and leave it like this for 6 to 7 hours. By doing this, it will remove or reduce the bitterness of the fenugreek leaves. Heat some oil in the pan. Now add pieces of cottage cheese. Shallow fry it. Now it's done. Put the pieces of paneer on a plate. In the remaining oil, add sliced onions and chopped garlic. Stir it for a few minutes. When it's golden brown, add chopped tomatoes, turmeric powder, red chili powder, and some sugar. Now mix it properly. And let it cook for 5 to 8 minutes. Now add chopped fenugreek leaves. Mix it properly. Now add shallow fried cottage cheese or paneer. Mix it again. Add some water. Add some salt. Mix it and cover the lid. Now our methi paneer is ready to serve. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more recipes like this.